Discover the secrets to crafting breathtaking 3D angel inlay jewelry that looks like a vintage masterpiece. Watch as I transform a simple jewelry mold with a homemade silicone inlay. I'll guide you through each step from preparing the mold to adding vibrant colors and shimmering flakes. I begin our project by placing the silicone inlay into the jewelry mold flat side down. Sometimes, due to the quality of our silicone molds, the inlay will have a hard time to stick to it. So you can dampen the back of the inlay using a baby wipe or a little bit of alcohol, and that will help cause a tight seal between the mold and the inlay, cutting down on the air that gets trapped underneath the inlay. I will then make sure that the silicone inlay is down securely, trying to make sure all the air has been released out from under the silicone inlay. Then I shall use some Resin UV resin to cover it completely, filling up the jewelry mold that I have selected. You will see me use a silicone tool to go around the edge and use a long neck lighter to get rid of bubbles. And then I will cure that for a full 5 minutes on both sides. Now you want to carefully remove the cured piece from the mold and take out the inlay, revealing the detailed imprint left behind. When using one of these inlays, to take care of them, all you need to do is, after you're done using it, you need to just wash it with a little bit of warm soap and water, let it air dry, put it in the case that I provide at time of purchase. Because these inlays are handmade by me, and I do use Resin silicone rubber with a 15A hardness, which offers high flexibility. They're perfect for adding a unique touchness to any resin project. If you're interested, you can find them in my eBay store or send me a message in the comments. And my eBay store is linked conveniently in the description box below. And now we mix up our desired color with more of the Resin UV resin, and we pour this into the imprint of the angel, filling it completely, and we cure this for another 5 minutes on each side. And here I am using a long neck lighter to release the bubbles from the UV resin before I cure it.
Big news for all our wonderful subscribers. Get ready to dive into the excitement of our brand new subscriber celebration giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. With every milestone of 100 new subscribers, like 200, 300, 400, and beyond, I'll be hosting a special drawing to pick one lucky winner. But wait, there's more. For every 500 subscriber milestone, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and beyond, we're pulling out all the stops with a grand giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen to receive even more amazing prizes. Want to be a part of this thrilling giveaway? It's as easy as pie. Like this video, comment below so I know you're out there. Share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. That's your ticket to entering the giveaway for our next subscriber milestone. And the best part? It's entirely free to join in on the fun. Plus, I'll cover all postage costs for the winners. I'll be announcing the winners during one of my videos, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for your name and make sure to reach out to me within 3 days of the announcement. Be careful of imposters. I'll only contact winners through my official channel. If I don't hear back within 3 days, I'll draw another name, so make sure you're watching closely. Everything unfolds right here in our videos, so you don't want to miss out on a single moment. Let's celebrate these exciting milestones together. Good luck to all. Thank you for your incredible support. You make this journey amazing. You're awesome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.
Now it's time to apply the Let's Resin Flakes to the back for added shimmer. If needed, you can mix your mica powder or your flakes with a 70% alcohol or higher to help it stick, as the alcohol will evaporate, leaving your color behind. I've prepared the backing color, choosing black for a classic look, mixing it with more Let's Resin UV resin, now spreading it evenly over the back and curing it for 5 minutes. Witness the moment our angel inlay comes to life with the perfect blend of gold and bronze gold chrome markers to color the sides and the edges sporadically to give our piece an antique jewelry appearance. I do apologize for the camera aim, but I didn't want to leave out any footage. Finish by adding the hardware to turn our creation into a necklace. Attach a pinch bail, an O-ring, and a black braided cord with an adjustable gold chain for a perfect fit. And your project is now complete. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative resin projects.